This is the best thing for a rainy day. Having helper in the back. Yep, I got a helper. It is pouring out now, right? I mean, it is pouring rain. Pouring. Really, what's this thing dumping in? Pouring. Okay, there we go. Time to go. Got water on the lens now. Like space aliens back there. It is raining, pouring out there. My new man, he's been working good today. He's been in the rain for 3 hours, non-stop. Good man. It's good right there. Waters and Durans.
What you recording?
Yeah, they plowed down there. See them down there?
Oh, shoot, mess around. They wrecked.
Yeah, they just wrecked down there pretty good. That's a good one.
Oh, yeah.
That Mustang, he looked like he tried to slow up and the other guy nailed him in the back.
Oh, man.
Into that pickup.
That's a nice Mustang, too.
Yeah, it was.
Well,
see that other one there too? He got it too, so he got 3. Yeah, it was a nice Mustang.
It was. It damn sure ain't no more.
No, ain't no more. Keep that one right in the middle of the road now so nobody can get by.
Man, we might be at this light for a little minute after that.
Hopefully we'll get past it, because if this guy's let us go, see this guy, he got to try to cut over. He's not getting the other rig. There we go. Ooh, that Mustang plowed. Flat tire.